Hi, and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to set up and install the Cloud Backup agent on a Windows machine. So that could be a server or it could be a workstation that you use, your work workstation or your home workstation. It's really simple. The first thing you need to do is be logged onto the device you're trying to back up. So at the moment, I'm just using one of my dedicated servers that I've got here at Fasthosts. So on the device you're going to back up, open up a browser, go to backup.fasthosts.com. See it in the URL there. It'll automatically send you to log in and log in using your cloud backup details. And if you need to find those details, I'll put a link in the description to the guide that will show you that. So let's log into that. Once we're logged in here, it's a new account, so I haven't backed up anything yet. I'm going to close this. This is just because I haven't added anything yet. It's asking me what I want to back up. So I'm going to close that and just show you how to do it in case that doesn't pop up for you. So just click add up there. And then you've got workstations or servers. So I'm backing up a server. So I'm going to click on Windows under the server section. And you can see here that's downloading. Once that's finished, I'm just going to run it. Now, for me, that's just gone to my downloads folders. But for you, it might be different, depends on your settings, but usually it's just in the downloads folder. So we're going to run that now. And we're just going to have a few options here, I'll just run you through. Once that's prepared. Okay, so if we click install here, it's just going to run the install with the default settings. If you want to change a few bits and pieces, like which hard drive it installs or anything like that, we're just going to click on there. So you can change what to install. Generally, I would suggest installing all of those. Installation path is where you want to install it. Log on account for the agent service. You can change that. Again, I probably wouldn't bother at this point. And you can use a HTTP proxy server. Again, I wouldn't. If you know what you're doing, go for it. If you don't, really don't need to do either of those last two. So I'm just going to go install here because we're happy with those options. And that's just going to go and install. It doesn't normally take too long, maybe just a couple of minutes. I think I'll pause it here and just start again when it's installed. Okay, so that has finished now. Took a couple of minutes, I think somewhere between 3 and 4, so don't worry if it's taking about that sort of time. And all we need to do now is register the machine. Now, if we click on this button, it's going to automatically open a browser and log us into our account. But I will show you how to see the registration info if you need to do it a different way. But for now, let's click on that. And if you were logged into your account like I was on that machine, it should automatically just do that for us. So we can see here the registration code is pre-filled in because I just clicked on that button. Otherwise, you'll see it here as well, that code there, but it's automatically pre-filled that in. Confirm the registration. There we go. So it's completed. So now what we've done is linked that server with the backup agent to my backup account now. So what we can do now is use any machine as long as it's got a web browser, and you can manage the backup of your server. So it's nice and easy, and that's all installed. One thing I would just say is if for whatever reason you couldn't link it using that button that I clicked on, what you can do is open that back up. 2 seconds. Let's get back into downloads. It should automatically just show that it's been done. So you got this register the machine link here. If you click on that and show registration info, you can get the code. And what we can do then is, if you go add there, scroll down, registration via code, and just enter it there. Oh, no, that's my username. But the code, that code there is what you would enter into that box there. You probably won't need to do it, but it's worth showing in this video just in case. Now that's the end of how to install the the agent itself, I've got a different video that will show you how to actually set up a backup, and I'll link that one in the description for you. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye for now.